Hi guys, good evening. Hopefully okay naman kayo. Alright, so this time I will have another recording naman, but particularly about recruitment. Okay, so same concept lang naman siya, team. Gusto ko lang din magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano ko siya ginagawa. And as I've mentioned doon sa initial video na nagawa ko, hindi nyo kailangan kopyahin yung exact way na pag-present ko. Okay? Ang maganda dyan, practicein nyo, panoorin nyo kung paano ko siya ginawa, and eventually, if you can come up with your own spill, or kung ano yung pinaka-convenient or most comfortable way, that's fine. But again, kailangan nyo ipapakita at ibibigay natin sa kanilang details is legit information. Okay? Para hindi tayo magpalikan. Alright, so sige, start na tayo. I-share ko lang. Sorry. Yan, mukha akong tibo sa gupit ko. Okay. Yan, pero malakas siya makabata. Mukhang batang tibo. Anyway, sige. Assuming no, nag-appear na rin siya. Alright, so again, ang gagawin natin, no, acknowledge muna natin yung presence niya. Okay, i-appreciate natin, okay, kamustahin natin siya. If kaya nyo mag-crack ng jokes, mapatawa siya. Again, ang purpose no, para mag-lower down yung wall niya. Okay, and kapag na-establish na natin yon somehow, you can start right away with our career sneak peek. So, going back, kunyari, meron akong kausap ngayon. No? Kayo yung kausap ko na i-recruit natin. Right? So, very casual lang naman siya. Okay. Hi ma'am, sir. Magandang gabi po. No, first and foremost, my name is Mark and ako po yung magkakandak sa inyo no career sneak peek. This is actually the first step if ever you want to try the opportunity we're going to offer you. Okay, so kamusta ka naman, sir? And hopefully po nakapag-dinner na kayo or nakapag-lunch na. Ayan. So kamusta naman ang araw mo, sir, so far? Or ma'am, kamusta naman po yung araw niyo so far? Alright, so ayan, kakamusin na namin. Okay, so sige, sir. Actually, mabilis lang naman po siya. Mga 10 to 15 lang po max. Very straightforward po yung presentation. Okay, yung iba or minsan ako no, ginagawa ko siya, sabi ko ganito. Ma'am sir, di natapos na natin yung yung introduction, yung icebreaker, etc. Sinasabi ko ganito. Ma'am sir, I know that you value your time. Okay, and ganun din po ako. So at the end of my presentation, dalawa lang po yung magiging answer nyo. For sure po yung dalawa lang. It's either yes or no. Okay? If ever pong no po yan, if it's possible po, no, pag-usapan po natin kung ano po yung pinaka-main reason nyo or naging contributing factor bakit po kayo Okay, so depende yon guys, no? Pag medyo aggressive ako, or feeling ko medyo maliit yung chance na ma-convert siya, sinasabi ko yon. Yung ibang ganito ginagawa. Hindi natapos na yung presentation. Sinasabi nila, sir, if you will rate this opportunity 1 to 10, ilan po ang ibibigay nyo? Pag binigay na 10, sige, that's good. Sabihin nun, go na go, interested na interested. What if kung sinabing 9 or 8? Sir, if I may ask, yung 1 po, ano po yun? Ano po yung reason bakit hindi siya 10? Bakit po may kulang na 1? Okay, ang purpose nun, para malaman natin kung ano yung objection nila. Pag na-address natin at na-satisfy natin or nasagot natin yung objection nila, mas mako-convert natin sila. Alright, so sige, daanan ko, no? Going back, ganito na siya. So for example, na-establish na ulit natin, no? Yung icebreaker, na welcome na natin sila, etc. So start na tayo. So ma'am, sir, allow me to proceed na with the career preview. Alright, so allow me to start first with my background. Okay, so bakit ko po ba ito in-include doon sa career preview? Kasi ma'am, sir, ang gusto ko lang pong i-emphasize dito, hindi po importante kung ano po yung naging background nyo or kung ano po yung current work nyo or kung ano po yung tinapos nyong kurso. Okay, kasi ma'am, like most of the people na nakasama ko po ngayon dito, wala naman din po silang experience at kadalasan malalayo po yung mga tinapos at current na ginagawa nila. Rest assured, natututunan naman po lahat dito at tinuturo po siya. Okay, so quick background lang po, no? Ayan, as you can see in the picture, I graduated nursing po. Okay, mukha lang po akong nagme-makeup ng patay diyan. Okay, pero ayan, graduate po tayo ng nursing. Okay, and after that po, since nagtatrabaho po sa airline industry before yung father ko, nagkaroon po siya ng opening. Okay, so ako po yung una niyang ni-recommend. Okay, ayoko po talagang pasukin ng pagtatrabaho kasi gusto ko po mag-board. Nag-graduate po ako ng March, plano ko pong mag-review at mag-board ng December. Pero yung tatay ko po natatakot na mapariwara ako. Okay, so just to make sure, pinilit po niya ako magtrabaho. Long story short, naging secretary po ako. Okay, so nasa airline industry na po. Yan po yung itsura ko na first time kong makasakay ng eroplano. May benefit na regular na po kasi ako niyan. Okay, and meron na ang benefit po ng airline employee is free of charge tickets or FOC. Okay, kahit sa destination po, wala po kayong babayaran. Okay, so yan po yung gustong-gusto ng benefit ng mga empleyado ng airlines. Okay? Now, during those times po kasi may din po akong gumimik. Hindi po kami nung mabarkada po talaga ako. Okay? So ano po ang ginawa ko? Instead na nalalalasing lang ako at wala na pong nangyayari sa buhay ko, ginawa ko po siyang part-time job, ang pagti-teaching. Okay, hindi naman din po ako hindi po ako sumobrang tagal diyan kasi naging hobby ko lang po siya. I really love music, no, aside from the fact na mahilig ako lumabas with friends, nakiligan ko na lang din po talaga siya. Okay, so naisip ko rin po na why not make most out of it. Okay, so yan, no, nagkaroon din po ako ng extra income. Alright, and then nagbukas po ng panibagong opportunity, no, doon po sa pagiging sekretarya ko. Sabi po nung boss ko, bakit hindi mo try maging flight attendant or cabin crew? Okay, so 2018 po, sorry, 2013 or yeah, 2013 po, no, doon po ako naglateral na maging isang flight attendant. Okay, hindi po ako naging senior flight attendant po. So as you can see, no, from time to time nagka-crack ako ng jokes. Okay, so yung slides nyo, again, pwede nyo siya, yung concept, no, for sure, yung concept, pwede nyo naman siyang gayahin. Okay, yung picture, syempre, no, mas maganda kung picture nyo na yan. Okay, so story nyo na dapat yung kinukwento nyo. Ayan. So, ayan, going back po, no, I flew for almost 10 years and habang lumilipad po ako or naging flight attendant, nag-decide din po ako mag-part-time ulit na maging financial advisor. Okay, bakit po? Kasi at that time, meron po akong pangarap na gustong-gustong makuha. Okay, naganap po ako ng opportunity na hindi ko kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera, pwede akong kumita ng malaki. Dito po ako na padpad. Okay, kasi ito pong opportunity na i-offer namin sa inyo, kapag masipag po kayo, malaki po talaga yung kikitain. Yun po ang puhunan dito. Okay, so later po, discuss ko po siya sa inyo. Alright? Now, moving forward, about our company po. So, sir, familiar naman po kayo kay True Life UK or narinig niyo po siya from friends, family, or commercials, etc. Kwento. Pagkasalitain mo siya, parang hindi ka tuloy-tuloy. Okay, ayan. Okay na. Halimbawa, sumagot na siya, no? Ayan. So, to be honest with you, sir, bago po pasukin ng pagiging financial advisor, nag-check po muna ako sa mga ibang insurance companies din. Pero hindi ko naman talaga ginawa yun. Okay, chart ko lang. Okay, pwede na sila lumipat. Okay. But anyway, ayan, going back po, no, nag-check po muna ako diyan kay Dilaw, kay Manu, kay FWD, kay AXA. Long story short po, ang may pinakamagandang pasahod or pa-incentives if si True Life UK po. So I'm not being biased. It just so happen na sila po may pinakamagandang benefit at pa-travel. Okay, pati mo yung mga pa-recognition. That's why dito po ako nag-push kay True Life UK. Alright, ang mas nakakatuwa po dito, no, currently, ProLife UK is the #1 insurance company here in the Philippines. So ano po ba ang benefit niyo po doon? Of course, when we position this to other client, mas madali po sila or mas mataas po yung chance na ma-close natin kasi very credible na po yung company. And just so you know, the company existed for more than 170 years na po. Panahon pa po ni Jack and ni Rose. Yes, tama po, no? Panahon pa po siya ni Titanic. Okay, so may mga ganun. Right? So nakikita nila yan. No? So, kailangan mo rin i-establish na very competitive din yung company. Ay ko na bahala kung anong gusto mong, paano pagpapabango ang gusto mong gawin kay company. Alright? So, ayun lang. Very quick lang. Okay? Now, ito yung isa sa pinaka-highlight ng presentation na to. Okay? Kailangan mong tanongin. No? Kumbaga, ima-mindset mo na siya. Now, sir, I'm just curious or ma'am, I'm just curious. Papaano po ito na-solicit sa inyo? Halimbawa, ang recruiter na si Alan. Paano po ito na-solicit sa inyo ni Alan? I mean, ano po ang naging push button? Bakit po kayo nag-decide na pakinggan siya? Then tingnan nyo yung isasagot niya. Guys, pakinggan nyo maigi. Kasi doon kayo makakuha ng push button. For example, leaning towards explanation kasi gusto kong extra income. Alam mo na kung saan siya tatagtarin pera. Okay? Or leaning towards naman siya sa flexibility. Time flexibility. O doon siya tatagtarin. Okay? Very confident naman tayo with being a financial advisor. It's because kaya naman talaga niyang i-offer. Yes, let's be honest with each other. Busy talaga. Okay? But it's still doable. And it's super worth it. Alright? So, nasa tao naman siya. Okay? Or yung iba, reason, gusto mag-travel, recognition. Guys, lahat yung makukuha dito. Okay? Kaya itong next na ipapakita ko sa inyo, nako-cover naman lahat yung usual reason. Okay? Or pwede ka mag-share. Actually, sir, ako po, no, ang naging selling point po nung career na to is, I want to have my own. Yung target ko po kasi maging branch manager and I want to have my own agency. At the age of 37, 38, I want to become CEO or president of my own company. Okay, pwede ganun. Or, balanced lifestyle. Kasi okay naman po yung sahod namin na pagiging flight attendant eh. But dumating po yung sa point na ang laki nga ng sahod ko, nako-compromise naman yung time ko sa family. So parang hindi rin worth it. Kaya nga ako nagtatrabaho for my family. Depende yun. Kung alam niyo yung recruit nyo, medyo may kaya. Hindi naman problema ng pera. Okay, so kailangan magaling ka rin mag-assess. Matututunan nyo man yan eh. Okay, from time to time, through experience, of course. Alright? Now, moving forward, siyempre napagsalita mo na siya, no? Kwento-kwento na blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, actually, sir, these are the most common reason kung bakit po nila tinatry maging financial advisor. Okay? Take note, we're just talking about part-timers. Number one, of course, is the money. Sir, if you will conduct your own research, yung top 5 highest or top 10 highest paying job here in the Philippines right now, lalabas po dyan is financial advisor. Number 4 po nga actually. Pero ang nakakatawa po doon, hindi nakadisclose kung part-time or full-time. Sir, malaki po talaga. And later po, I will show you some proof. Okay? Imagine mo, sir, kung nag-earn ka ng 30,000 sa current job, then may additional 30,000. Hindi na rin masama, sir. Alright? Next po, sir, do you want to travel for free? Ako po, dun sa work ko, nakakapag-travel po ako, but still, it's part of my job. Na-enjoy ko naman po, yes. But iba pa rin kasi kung bakasyon ka talaga. At kung wala kang ilalabas kayo. So, okay, you can even bring your loved ones. O tanongin mo, oh sir, may boyfriend ka na ba? Or girlfriend ka na? Okay, sir, alam mo ba, na kapag nag-qualify ka ng halimbawa, 2 tickets, or you can bring your loved ones. And we're not just talking about Asia or locally. You can travel for the whole world for free. Okay? Pwede bigyan ng din yan. Excuse me. Kung ang push button niya is more on travel. Paano mo malalaman? Itanong mo, girl. Di ba? Itanong mo siya, besh, para malaman. Okay? Next. Balanced lifestyle. Sir, ito, sabi ko nga po kanina, isa to sa naging selling point. Kasi kadalasan, sir, or ma'am, would you agree? Pag marami kang pera, minsan, or kadalasan, wala ka namang oras. Yung iba dyan, ang dami namang oras, wala namang pera. Okay, so dito po, you can have both. Lalo na kung ginawa mo siyang full time. Excuse me. Kasi nga, you can do this at home. Or as long as meron kang Wi-Fi, may access ka sa Wi-Fi, you can conduct or you can do the business. Alright? You don't need to render 9 hours or 10 hours. O if you want, that's possible pa rin naman. Pero worth it siya kasi mas mas bibilis yung progress mo. Kasi po dito ang labanan, the more na mas marami ka na i-invest na oras, mas mabilis po yung magiging progress. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so don't worry sir or ma'am, we're not going to tell you naman po no na resign from your current job. Again, you can still do this as part-time. And lastly po, no, data. Okay, at the end of the day, ma'am, sir, na-realize ko po na whatever I give to my company, at the end of the day, I'm still an employee. Hindi mo ako pwede pumunta sa HR ko at sabihin ko, pag nag-render ba ako ng 20 or 30 years, magiging owner ako ng airline na ito. Hindi naman ganun eh. Or pwede ka bang pumunta doon sa HR at sabihin, pwede ba next month additional 5,000 ako or 10,000? Hindi naman siya ganun. Okay, so dito po, you will have the total control of your growth. Okay, kasi po, yung increase ng income, kayo magdidictate, yung promotion, kayo rin po magdidictate. So yes, tama po ang intindihin. Kayo po lahat ang in control. Okay, so do you find it interesting po? Pwede mo siya tanongin. Right, so dapat medyo, again, yung tonality, yung hand gesture, di ba? Tapos yung power of pause, yung mga ganon, no? Napapractice naman siya. Right, so sige. So clear na yan. Halimbawa, sir, second to the last na po ito. Now, we're going to talk about pera na po. Alright, so I really need your 1,000 or 100% attention because we're talking about money na. Okay, so here with us, you have two ways to earn. Number one is you're going to educate, and number two, you are going to lead. Okay. Guys, for us or for me, nag-work naman tong slide na to. Kasi most of the time na nako-convert natin, I use this. Okay. So, again, finish ang it-week at your own discretion. Okay. So, wait lang. Sorry. Jacob, I'm working. Okay, so now you allow me to start first with the educate part. All right. Okay, so allow me to start first with the educate part. All right. So, ma'am, sir, pwede niyo siyang tanungin. Okay. Meron ka na po bang existing plan? O kung wala pa, i-treat mo siya as a client. Kasi ang pinaka-objective nitong slide nito, mapakita mo sa kanya kung gaano kadali at doable itong magiging future part-time job niya. Okay, pakikita mo na sa kanya kung anong ginagawa natin and kung bakit natin i-explain. Kaya nga, after ko ma-discuss yan, tinatanong ko siya, sir, knowing the fact that you don't have any experiences yet or any knowledge about this, but the way na I explained it, do you think you can do it as well? Okay. Yes, wala ka pa pong training, no? You just heard it now. But you think you can do it the way I explain it to you? Most of the time, yes, kasi nga, basic lang naman siya. Diba? So, pag sabi ng yes, sir, ganun lang po yung part. So, ayan, okay. So, sorry guys. Alright, so, yun lang. Siyempre, pag alam mo na yung plan natin, di ba? Alam mo kung paano siya nag-work, and ititreat mo siya as client, he himself, di ba? Ma-realize na kagad kung gaano siya, kung gaano siya kaganda, gaano siya importante. Okay, so hindi ko na ito i-discuss kasi alam niyo na i-explain yan. Di ba? Alam niyo na kung paano siya i-position sa clients natin. More on like realization. Okay? So, sir, ma'am, if you manage to convince or to help your friends or relatives or workmates, the company will give you 45% commission. Okay, so sir, if I may ask, ilan po ang friends nyo sa Facebook? O tinatanong ko talaga yun, guys. 500 lang. Yung iba, 1,000, yung iba, 1,000. No. Ako, sinasabi ko ganito. Sir, let's just say 300 yan. O, 100 na lang, sir, ang kakilala mo. Sir, ito po yung potential ng business. You just need to find 5 friends, 5 relatives, and 5 colleagues. Okay, your possible annual commission would amount to almost 500,000. Now, if you're going to divide it by 12, that's almost 40,000 a month. Para ma-emphasize nyo sa kanya na, ay, 15 lang, dami kong friends eh. 4,000, 3,000. Kahit nga 100 na lang eh. Worst case scenario. And with us, I know that it is really possible naman talaga. Kung tutusin guys, 15 yan eh. Baka nga kapatid mo lang eh. Or mga kamag-anak mo lang yan eh. Diba? But of course, it will vary kung magkano yung kayang isave ng tao na yun. But again, it's a number game. Mas marami kang ma-approach, mas marami kang tendency ma-close, mas malaki income. Diba? And sir, ang best part po dyan, for just a single client, you will have an income for 5 years. Yes, diminishing po yung percentage ng income, but still, malaki pa rin po siya. Kaya nga po, maraming lumilipat na real estate agent din. Kaya marami rin pong lumilipat na car sales agent. Kasi sa kanila po, pag walang benta. In short, walang kita. Sa atin po, meron. Okay, but let me just clarify. Actually, ang pinaka-work po natin is we're not selling insurance. We are here to help them avail the plan that we think that they need. Tayo po yung nagiging tulay. Tayo yung nagsasuggest. Okay, iba po kasi kaya medyo hesitant dahil akala nila nagbebenta ng insurance. No. Actually, ang binibenta natin dito is our lifetime service. Okay, so kailangan ma-instill nyo sa kanila na, uy, hindi ko lang bigyan ng insurance dito. Dapat kasi gano'n naman talaga yung mindset. Diba? Hindi naman talaga tayo nagbebenta ng insurance, guys. Diba? Tinutulungan natin sila. Oh yes, nandun na tayo. May commission tayo. Let's say, but at the end of the day, it is them who will benefit from this. Not us. Yes, pala meron. Kasi nga may commission. But still, sila lang mag-benefit. Kaya wala naman libre. Diba? Wala naman libre. Lifetime service ito, so dapat bayaran din nila yung serbisyo. Kasi nga, wala namang libre. And it's normal. Barter yan. Diba? Products, kapalit pera. Your service, kapalit pera. Totally normal. Diba? So, yeah, emphasize to na parang, imagine mo, 15 lang. It's possible pala. Alright? So, ayan. Tapos tanongin mo, do you have any question po so far? Or do you want any, or do you want me to clarify anything? Ayan. Okay, so kung wala, proceed ka na. Now, if you are leaning towards agency level, or you will have your own office or branch level, this is what you need to do. You really need to recruit. Let me inform you, recruitment is not mandatory. But if you want to become an agency leader, you really need to recruit. Now, sino po ba yung mga taong pwede nyong makasama sa industriya ito or sa business or negosyo na ito? Number one, yung mga taong gusto mong makasama sa business na to. Okay? In addition to that, yung mga taong or kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo na naghahangad na mas magandang buhay. Lahat ng tao hinahangad yan. Ang problema, hindi lahat willing mag-work para makuha yung magandang lifestyle. Okay? You just need to start with 6. You just find your strong 6. Okay, di ba sabi nga nila, sir, di ba, ma'am, sir? Di ba, yung Roman, hindi naman siya nabili ng isang araw. Same concept. Alright, so this is not networking. We have nothing against them, but I just need to inform you that this is not networking. But part of the agency building is for you to have your associates there. Okay, next po. Sino-sino po yan? Ito po yung mga taong gusto na nare-recognize yung binibigay nilang effort, malit man yan o malaki. Okay, and you'll be surprised po, no? Napakaraming empleyado na kahit maliit lang yung sahod, basta nare-recognize lang sila, magi-stick sila sa kumpanya niya. Sa atin po, busog yan. Ang best part niyan, may cash incentive pa po yan, may pa-travel pa po yan. Okay, yung mga recruiter nyo at nakakasama natin sa team, isa po sila sa mga testimony na it's possible and it's doable. Okay, so ita-transfer lang din po namin sa inyo yung mga knowledge na tutunan namin. And it works naman po. You just need to help us help you. Okay, so again, people who want recognition. And of course, who wants to travel for free. Sir, dito, no, pwede mo mapuntahan yung mga lugar na hindi mo akalain na mapupuntahan mo. All over the world po yun. Okay, best part, libre. Oh, sir, qualify ka na 4 na beses. Cash convert mo 3. Biyahe ka mag-isa. Soul searching ka. That's possible. Okay, kaya po nakakatuwa. Kung nare-recognize ka na, you are well compensated, nakakapag-travel ka pa. And lastly po, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, yung branch manager level is in play. Okay? Pwede po kayo maging presidente ng isang company. Ito po yung target na. I'm not saying that it's gonna be easy. There will always be challenges, which is normal. But it is doable. Okay, sir, you have nothing to lose. Well, you just give this a chance. Or what if? You're only 25. Give it 5 years. What if? Possible po siya. Magiging imposible lang po siya kung hindi siya susubukan. Kasi worst case scenario, what's the bad thing that can possibly happen? If things doesn't work out, you can always go back to your daytime job or with your profession. But what if it works? Basta. Okay, so yan, ganun na siya i-position. So yung growth po dito, nandito tayo. Hindi po kayo more on educating all throughout our life. Hindi po. Yung growth nandito po. Best part, kayo po ang in control. Hindi po si Rod. Kayo po, effort niyo po, ang determining factor. Now, do you have any questions so far? Now, sir, ito pong next slide ay papakita namin sa inyo as proof, no? So, this is not to brag, but to, again, emphasize na kapag masipag ka, well compensated ka. And it's not something na sobrang sipag mo tapos like underpaid ka, gano'n. Hindi po. No. And dito po, makikita nyo na kung gusto nyo additional or increase by next month ang 5,000, 10,000, and then you give the right amount of effort, that's possible. It can happen. Okay, so ready na po ba kayo, ma'am, sir? Ayan. Kasi itong next slide na to, guys, papakita natin yung SOMA. Okay, so titignan nila, sir, ma'am, hindi na po pwedeng Yan. Okay na po talaga yung SOMA. Kaya po makikita nyo sa branch manager level, and 7 digits na po talaga siya. Okay, so, ayan. If ever po, no, mag-decide kayo doon sa pad na you want to be in caliber or yung worldwide caliber. Okay, pag sineryoso nyo po, ayan, imagine mo, sir, 300,000 plus income sa 3 linggo. Diba, sir, ma'am, yung ibang tao na sumusweldo ng 30,000 a month. Almost 1 year. And you imagine, you only got it from what? And again, I'm not saying na it's easy. There will always be challenges, but it's possible and it's doable. Just give it a chance. Right? So, hindi nyo po kailangan maglabas ng malaking pera to earn 6 digits mo. Okay? Just your effort. So, do you have any questions so far, ma'am? And then, yung last part na yan is yung onboarding. Okay, very straightforward lang yung onboarding natin, guys, di ba? Magkano lang yung exam fee? 1,010. Okay, dual, 2,020. But ako, most of the time, I position na lang the single license. Okay, para mas mataas yung chance na mas makapasa siya. No, kung medyo tansya mo ay medyo pasaway or what, no? Para at least 50 items lang. Okay, i-highlight nyo lang po dito na yung orientation fee and license fee, hindi po kailangang i-settle yan. Right then and there. Kasi yung iba, medyo pag nakita mo, 1,000, 1,900, tapos 1,700. Ang laki mo, 4,000 plus. Diba? Parang, ay, wala akong pera kahit gusto ko. Diba? Hindi sila willing. Diba? Sabihin nyo lang, reserve lang po tayo ng exam, 1,010, then we can start with the process na po. 1,800, kahit tsaka na po yan. No? Kahit pagkalabas na po ng exam. Okay, your license fee din po. Parang license, typical license na po. Di ba? May license fee, nare-renew, etc. whatsoever. So, ganun pa siya. So, do you have any questions? Alright, so that's how I simply conduct my tabletop. If you can do it less than 30 minutes, mas maganda po. Kung kaya nyo pa mas mapaiksi, mas maganda yun. Pero hindi naman dapat siya mukhang nagmamahal. Okay, so hopefully guys, nakatulong ako sa inyo and hopefully din magamit itong material na to para mas ma-practice pa kayo. Okay? Hindi ko naman ine-expect na kapag parood nyo ito, magaling na kayo kagad. Or hindi ko naman ine-expect na kapag napanood nyo ito, sobrang confident na kayo. But kailangan nyo siyang practicing. Kasi kung hindi nyo siya gagawin pa ulit-ulit, hindi kayo gagaling talaga. Okay? So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. So, pa-subscribe na lang and pa-like, char lang. Ayun. So, yun lang guys. Good evening and good luck po sa inyo.